You want to create your own 3D animation movie, even without any knowledge about 3D and animation. Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today, I will show you how to create 3D animation using an AI tool. In this AI tutorial, we will convert any existing video into a 3D animation with just a few clicks. I will also show you how to create your own 3D character easily. I hope, in 7 to 8 minutes you can be able to create your own 3D animation movie. So, let's get started. Create account. You need to create a Deep Motion AI account. You can find the link in the video description. Click the Sign Up button to create Deep Motion AI account. Create 3D character. After logging into Deep Motion AI, click on the Animate 3D menu. Click on Get Started button. Now, click on the 3D Models menu. Click on Ready Player Me Avatar Generator. First, choose your body type. You can upload your photo to convert it into a 3D avatar, or you can choose the Continue Without Photo option. Next, select an avatar model and click Next to proceed. You can customize the skin color, basic face shape, and various face details like eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and hair. Additionally, you can change the avatar's hairstyle, outfit, accessories, and makeup. Once everything is set, click the Next button. Finally, enter your character's name and click the Save button to store all the avatar information. Generate 3D AI animation. Go to the Animate 3D menu and click on 3D Models. Select your 3D avatar character and click the Create Animation button. In this example, I'm using a video. Rename your file if needed and trim or crop the video using Trim and Crop button if necessary. Once done, click the Save button. Go to the Video Output menu and enable the MP4 output option. Change the custom background to a solid green color. Set the camera mode to cinematic and enable or disable shadow and audio output as desired. When ready, click the Create button to convert your video into a 3D animation using Deep Motion AI. After the generation process is complete, click the Download button, select MP4 format, and click Download to save your animation video. Create animated background. Let's create an animated background for video. Go to the Canva dashboard and choose the Video menu. Then, navigate to the Elements menu and search for Animation in the search bar. Expand the video results and select your desired video animation. Right-click on it and set it as the background. Download your animated background video. Editing. Now, we edit this animated video by using Wonder Filmora Editor. Import your animated background and 3D animation video. Place the animated background on the first video layer and position the 3D video animation on the upper layer. Click on the 3D animation video, select the Chroma Key button, and use the color picker to select the green screen area. Resize the 3D animation video to match the background and adjust as you needed. Once everything is set, click the Export button. Here is the video result from this deep motion AI tutorial. Now, you can create your own animation video using AI. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video.